Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 38. How to promote affiliate offers using Google Site. In this video, we will take a look at how to promote affiliate offers using Google Site, step by step. So let's get started. Now go to Google and here search for your product's name plus review. From results, open the Google Sites link. So this is the Google Site review article of the product. First is the introduction of the product in detail, then about the creator, then features details, who is it for, how to use it, steps and demo video, then customer testimonials and pricing and coupons, and then bonuses and conclusion. So here you can see that they have inserted their affiliate link for the product. On top, you can see that this is the Google site. Now on Google, let's search for product name with Munchai. Open the first results and from here open the JV page of the product. So this is the product's JV page and here you can see the details about the product. As you can see that this text is the same as that affiliate has used for his introduction part. So from here, they have copied their introduction part of the review article. Then for features, copy the text and search on the JV page and see that they have also copied the features point from the JV page and explain them in his own words. Next for pricing and coupons, this section they have prepared using this funnel details section. You can see the one-time offer details have also been copied from here. Then the demo videos, they have also inserted the links of these demo videos in their review article. So this is how you can promote your affiliate offers using Google Site. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 39. How to drive traffic by using Pinterest. Introduction. In that video, we will see how to drive traffic from Pinterest, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.